everyone. We will report the case study, Health Center Management System. Contents: Introduction, System Design, Coding, Conclusion and Recommendation. Chapter 1, Introduction. Web and mobile application. A website can be custom built by a web development company to suit the unique needs and preparedness that a business has. Unlike the website developed during the last decades, these day websites are created taking a mobile first approach. Threads and students point toward the fact the audience spend most of their time on this smartphone. Just like website, applications are also created primarily from mobile usage. Website. A website is a conclusion of a web page, a related content that is and defined by a common domain name and published on the less one web server.
Mobile application. Mobile apps are built for specific platforms such as iOS for the Apple, iPhone, or Android for Samsung device. They can utilize GPS and the camera feature of the system, and they can be downloaded and installed through an app store. On physical device, mobile apps run and exist Instagram, Google Maps, Snapchat, and Facebook Messenger are all we know smartphone application. About the system. Healthcare facilities now employ a variety of record-keeping techniques. In some organizations, records are kept by hand. In others, computers have replaced paper-based system. And in many others, a combination of both health center management system provides a quicker and more systematic way to record the medical information of the patient.
Chapter 2, System Design. Data Dictionary. A data dictionary is a collection of names, definitions, attributes about data elements that are being used or captured in a database information system or part of research project. Database design. Ito po yung ERD diagram namin. Ayan po, magkaka-connect po lahat sila in one-to-one and one-to-many relationship. Components of a web form. User ID. For users to input their information. Patient list. For patients to input their information. Appointment scheduling. For user and patient creating appointment. Consultation. For patients request for consultation. Therapy. For patients who request types of therapy and date of the therapy. Vaccination. For users and patients applying for vaccination. Medicine. For patients who request for medicine they need. Home service. For patients at home requesting different types of service. Senior citizen appointment. For senior citizen waiting appointment. Help request. For user patients requesting for help. Homepage. Ito po yung homepage namin. And ito po yung homepage ng mobile form po namin.
Chapter 3.
Features of Python and Flash Framework. Flash is a Python framework based on work Zug, Jinja 2, and inspired by Sintra Ruby framework. Available under BSD license. It was developed at Poco by Armin Ronacher. Although Flash is rather young compared to most Python frameworks, it holds a great promise and has already gained popularity among Python web developers. Let's take a closer look into Flash, so-called micro framework for Python. Features of language jQuery, mobile and JavaScript. jQuery Mobile enables the development of online applications that work The same on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Other frameworks like Whitelight, PhoneGap, and other are compatible with it. A variety of UI widgets and touch-friendly form input are available. All mobile tablet and desktop platform benefit from the progressive upgrade, which offer quick page loads, broader device support as well as a distinctive functionally. It was developed by the jQuery project teams in the year 2010 and written in JavaScript.
Web and mobile database application. A database management system is a piece of software used to create and maintain one or more database. It improves a simple means of creating database, updating tables, retrieving data, and enhancing data. DBMS data is accessed, changed, and locked to avoid conflict.
Chapter 4: Conclusion and Recommendation. The user or patient can use the health center system to make their transaction more convenient with the aid of the medical personnel. The system will then handle the record keeping, scheduling, and transaction management for user or patient. We created the health center system where the user and medical personnel have complete control over the system and all function of the performed from the user and medical. The records of all user or patient are simple and organized for the medical personnel to manage. This approach contributes to the health center's improvements in abilities to navigate and manipulate the gathered medical records of the patient. Recommendation: we recommend adding features that will improve system in more ways, such as making easier for the users and patient to pay for service and medicine, improving the system design so that it look like well documented and make users and patients more satisfied, and adding the delete button feature to every mobile form page, not just patient information page.